Let's just say a lot of hair was harmed in the making of this video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be cutting my hair following Deeper Than Hair's tutorial. Let's get started. I'm starting with clean hair that I'm going to blow dry. I'm going to add heat protectant oil to my hair and then detangle. Oh my gosh, look at how much hair I'm going to have to cut. How? How did I let my hair get to this point? I don't even know. Once I'm done detangling, I go on to blow drying. I'm using the Revlon blow drying brush. I'll be back once all of my hair is blow dried. So it's the next day and I'm just going to retouch my hair to get it as straight as possible again. So the first thing she does is combs her bangs forward. This is the first cut and this will be the guide for all the other haircuts. It essentially lays the foundation. Once you comb the bang area forward, section off the area like this. Then comb it up, gathering all of the hair between your fingers and go up as straight as possible. You will see where your hair starts to thin and fade. I wanted to cut off all the thin ends, but you don't have to cut as much as I did. Here, I'm just making sure I'm gonna like how short my bangs will be after the cut. The bajillionth time I did this to make sure I gathered all of the hair and kept my fingers as straight and tight as I went up so that I can collect all of my hair to make sure I get an even cut. You would think it was so easy to just cut, but it wasn't. I was worried about cutting myself, cutting the hair in a straight line, not losing my grip on the hair. It is not as easy as it looks. I was struggling. I finally managed to cut it and this is what it looks like. Okay, at first I was freaking out. It was so short compared to the rest of my hair, and knowing all the other cuts would be guided by this cut made me wonder if all of my hair would be this short. I styled my bangs the way I would normally wear them to see the exact look. Okay, not too bad. Let's keep going. For the second cut, you're gonna part from the crown of your head to your ear. Then you're going to take the bangs that you just cut and line it up with the hair. Here, I'm just checking to see if I'm going to be okay with how short the hair will be once I cut it. Then you're going to comb out the hair and bring it up, making sure to smooth with your two fingers as you go up. You will be able to see where because there will be a darker line. Measure twice and cut once. I made a big mistake here. I made the cut on the wrong side of where I was holding the hair. I was supposed to cut on the left side of my hand, not the right side. You just have to cut the hair so that once you cut, the bad hair that you don't want falls rather than the good hair that you're trying to keep. This made me cut my hair in a triangle shape. I was super freaked out, but I was just happy that it didn't look so bad. It could have been a lot worse. Now I'm going to do the same for the other side, but I'm going to make sure to cut it the right way. So this is what the two sides are looking like. Not bad, okay? My ends are starting to look healthy and thick and I'm really excited. Now onto the third cut. You're going to go back to the bangs part, except this time you're going to get more hair from the back of the crown of your head. Essentially, you're pulling more hair into the bangs from the back of your head, but not too much. Then you're going to comb all the hair and bring it all up like you did before. Cut following the guide where the hair gets dark. This is actually a lot harder than it looks. I was struggling just making sure to cut. And here is what that looks like. I think this is too short. I don't know if I like this. I might have taken too much hair from the back of my crown. I have super short layers at the top of my head. I don't know if I like that. No stopping now, we're fully committed. For the last cut, you part your hair in half and you bring it to the front. You comb out one side and flip the hair so that you have it all laying flat. This should help you see the guide. I was having a hard time seeing the guide. When I leaned forward and let my hair hang, I was able to see the guideline so much better. And cut where I didn't have those see-through ends. At this point, I didn't care about following the guide exactly. One, I didn't want to cut too short, and two, I just wanted to make sure that I got rid of a lot of that invisible ends as much as possible. Then I just start cutting. I will clean up all the unevenness later. For cutting the other side, I just try to match the other side. Here, I'm just cleaning up the ends. So this is the final look. I don't love it, so I decided to cut one more. But I'm really happy because my ends are looking so much better. I didn't like it because the bottom length of my hair doesn't match up with all the top layers. I felt like I had just two giant layers. The top was shorter and the bottom was just a really long piece of layer, and that just didn't look even to me. So I went ahead and I trimmed up a little bit more. OMG, that looks so much better. Oh my gosh, I am just so happy. I really need to make sure to keep up with my trim so that my hair can continue to, thrive and not get to the point that it was at the beginning of this video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you got this far, you're a true one. So leave me a little orange heart so I know to go ahead and just, say thank you. And I'll see you for the next video.